Welcome to Rock with Your Oral Presentations. This is a course aimed at any health professional who had to deal with oral communications, either for a major congress or for a symposium at your own center, or simply for grand rounds every week within your own department. I'm Sebastián Rodríguez Garcia. I'm a consultant rheumatologist and a clinical researcher. Through my whole career, I had to deliver lots of presentations for way different audiences, from health and safety communications to underground miners, through teaching biophysics at my own med school, or delivering presentations at major congresses within my field. All those experiences led me to learn many things and adopt different habits or rituals, if we may, that helped me through the whole process. In this course, I'm going to share with you tips and rules that I've collected over the years and that I always use when preparing my own presentations. We will explore in a practical way the whole process from preparing to deliver a communication, from content selection to slide design and time and stress management before, during, and after a presentation. We will also share examples to put all concepts into practice. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this course as much as I enjoyed creating it.